Today we're going to be talking about the H&K. When we normally talk about H&K, we automatically think about the price tag. It is a great quality gun, but the regular everyday person might not be able to afford it. However, H&K has come up with the new 22, the pistol platform and the rifle platform. So with that 22 rounds offsetting that, you can shoot all day and still have a quality gun. It absolutely shot like a dream. The trigger was perfect, the reset was perfect on it. It didn't even feel like it was shooting. When I released the actual round down range, I couldn't even tell that it was coming out. So that's one thing I really love. The bolt reset, that it doesn't have one so that you can actually lock the bolt to the rear. So that is not really it's not really an issue with that because it's still an H&K and it's still a quality gun. So one of the things that I wanted to talk about that I absolutely love is that this thumb piece right here. One thing that everybody knows is that when you're loading rounds and you're pressing them in after about 10 rounds, your finger hurts. So what H&K has done, you just press your thumb release down just like that, and then you go ahead, push it in, and then there's no more finger blisters right there. I absolutely love that. You can go through all of these rounds piece by piece, and then if you needed to unload them, all you have to do is just pop it down like that, and then they pop off instead of like flicking it and then getting it on your thumb as well. So no more calluses. So for some of the common uses that I would absolutely love to use this rifle platform for is varmint hunting and plinking all day. Because it does have the AR platform, you can go out, you can train like you fight, and instead of spending that money on 7.62 rounds or 2.23 rounds, you can get the same kind of training with this for a fraction of the price.